আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আমি কিছুদিন যাবত একটি ওয়েবসাইটে কাজ করছিলাম। সেটি হচ্ছে একটি হোটেলে কিভাবে ভাড়া দিতে হয় এবং সেটাকে রিজার্ভ করতে হয়। এবং এই ওয়েবসাইটটি একেবারে জিরো থেকে বলা যায় একেবারে জিরো থেকে আমি কাজ করেছি। সো আমি আজকে আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো যে ওয়েবসাইটটি আমি কী কী ফাংশনালিটি অ্যাড করেছি এবং কী কী বিষয় আছে। যারা ইংলিশ বুঝেন তাদের জন্য সহজ হবে, না হলে বাকিরা একটু জাস্ট দেখতে পাবেন আমি কি বলতেছি। হয়তো ইংলিশটা বুঝবেন না, আমার যারা ফ্রেন্ড সার্কেল আছেন যারা ইংলিশ পারেন অবশ্যই আপনারা শিখে ফেলতে হবে, কিন্তু যারা পারেন তাদের জন্য একটা ভালো ওভারভিউ হতে যাচ্ছে। কেন আপনাদের যদি কারো হেল্প প্রয়োজন হয় অথবা আপনারা কারো চান যে আপনাদের এরকম ওয়েবসাইট লাগবে, আমার সাথে হেল্প করতে পারেন, অথবা আমি আপনাকে সাজেস্ট করতে পারি যে আপনি কী ইউজ করতে পারেন। সো লেটস স্টার্ট এবং দেখুন যে আমি কী অ্যাড করেছি। ভিডিওতে দেখুন কীভাবে আমি ডিজাইন করেছি এবং কী কী ফাংশনালিটি অ্যাড করেছি, যেটা এই ওয়েবসাইটের ইউনিক বৈশিষ্ট্য।
Hey, how are you? Today I'm going to show you one of the website that I have done and how I did and what I did for this website. I will show you step by step all the things that we do in website. And this is the website for one of the booking website for the guests who want to visit the Bonita of California. You can see the Bonita in maps. This is the summer camp people go to in here, summer and other 3 days to their to enjoy their times. So people want peace. People want something like a home, but they can feel the world, not just messy things. They can feel the new things here. So they need is something that like a home. So my client, um, my friend, taught me that I have this picture. This picture I will show you what he sent me to message. So I get I get the idea what he want to show me. So he give me the pictures, he give me the name of website and address where he want to show. Then I make whole website with the content from content to others, content CTAs, as search engine optimization keyword and others. So we will share these things in website. This will show in website as soon as possible, as soon as Fiverr approve this one. And yes, this is so user friendly, and people can do what they want in our website if they are new, so they can see the information of website. First, we use the fresh and clean overview of the website, what he going to explore in here. So in background, we're showing the information that they want, they want at the first time to visit the home. So from the beginning of home to the entrance and the outside and others. And then here is the one strong CTA. They can book here by the date, and they can select how many days they want to stay here, today, 4 day, as per their nights. It will give the price. They can confirm their reservation and they can pay out here. So they have to select how many guests and other things. So after they fill all the information, they can book their reservation, they can book the hotel. So this is not a hotel type, this is like home type, um, the address. So we do this one as a home. So how many people can stay here? We give the overview website and welcome Bonita California. So they have, they are giving in website, where this is. So we show them the important things, and one by one all the things of the website, all the things of this home they are providing. So we give all the things here step by step, outside, and free parking, and then all the things that are related to a guest who want to get comfort and others. So we give a good gallery to see what happened, what in here, everything all are listed here, so people can see as they want, and they can experience they can see what they can experience here and how many time to go there, and the dining nature, what in here, some of the things they are added. So yeah, this is the book. Now they can also if they come here and just directly want to book, just the book come here and automatically book this one, book the reservation. And this is the some of clients of him give the perfect overview, so we use that. And social media, if they want to, they can add these things, and the policies, the quick links and contact. So, and here is a guide, guest guidebook, so people can see what here, passwords and Wi-Fi and others, all the things will be listed here and everything. So this is complete a rental website for the private home, a private home type website for the guests who want to visit the Bonita. So we did many things here. The SEO, search engine optimization, people will see the website so much fast when they want to visit them. And the bookings are interesting, that this property, this rental home is already listed in Airbnb, so it automatically shrink the date. If someone book in Airbnb, it automatically sync the date that would be unavailable. So if someone book their reservation, it automatically hide that time, so they can see it is not available. And yeah, if someone also someone if make a reservation, it will be automatically show them that yes, this one is they will be show them that this one is already booked. So in Airbnb, it will they can see also that it cannot be booked anymore. So this is a strong function we add here. And almost most of the thing I have done. So some of the thing maybe we will need to add here, that the text, more sections that will be related to SEO and others. So if you want, you can add here blogs, and if you don't, so don't do this. We will do it later. If you want to do target people with maybe some place and want to reserve their home, so when they read about this area, they can see the book hotel, then they can click and they can come here and make reservation for them. So yeah, this is the full website. And let's see, I'm going to show what my client sent to me for about this website. So he just first I told him about okay, that's it. We have done as we have to do. And we have speed optimized of a website. So let's say yes, this is the speed we already did. Some of the thing can be improved, but yeah, it's not mandatory. You can see 100%, and also this is one also 100%. And yes, we have to do some SEO because it is still under working. So yes, this is the website that we have done.